at the Salvation Army 2008 Splash. Our job that we were assigned was to slam these printers and computers in the dumpster. Here we go. Stop, Rex.
This is going to be so fun.
Well, we better get started breaking stuff.
Yeah. Break it. Break it.
Oh,
That was so fun.
I want to see this.
dude, the screen came out. Three, two, one. Oh, that was crap. No, it's look. It's cause
You're terrible.
the glass didn't break.
Great
It
job,
just
Parker.
came
You
out.
should have shot it against that
Yeah,
wall.
or like.
Cool.
All right, get in there.
No, Parker, stay.
Well, I guess that's everything.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I bet they hire us.
Yeah. We did a good job.